Watch this. Does look interesting, right? Let's go for the question. Here is another AI app that can help you create your videos, trending videos, and like reels and other videos. So follow me as I take you on how to do that. First of all, you're going to go and download the app, which is Haro AI app. Then when you download it, install it in your phone. After installing it, then click on the app. When you click on the app, you are going to do what? Register with your Google. So, or you register normal, but the best thing is to use your Google to register. This is our features on how to use the word trending reels on it. So when you click on any of these reels, it will ask you to register with your Google. So what you are going to do is to immediately register with your Google before it can allow you to create video with this app. After registering with your Google, then you head over and choose the template that you want to use. When you click on it, it will ask you to import your picture. What we need here is only your face, your real face without makeup. Then when you import your picture, then you click on what? Generate. This app will give you credits that you can be using every day. Sometimes they give 50, sometimes they give 100, it depends. So that you'll be using to create your videos every day. So when you import your picture, now the video is being generated. So the video is now generating. When you click on generate, so you can see my credit there, the credit they give me. So now the video is generating. So remember to drop my thank you on the comment section. I have told you that in this my channel I will be giving you updates even as a student app that you can use to solve your assignments and so on. Here is the video how you are going to download this. So you quickly do what? Click on the arrow there, up there you see download there. When you click on it, it will automatically download straight to your gallery. That's very simple. So don't forget to do what? To allow, because when you click it asks you to allow Haro AI to work in your phone, then you allow it. So this is it. So remember to drop my thank you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow for more. These are other features that you can use to generate videos from this app and interesting videos. Thank you.